Alright, another Pentax video. This is the Pentax-A old school film lens, 28mm f2.8 prime lens. Prime meaning fixed focal length. So I've got a couple other videos on these, but if you don't know this, these old Pentax-A's mean automatic, so automatic aperture. So here on the side, you see it says A there. So when you move this over to A, press that button and move it over on your Pentax DSLR, you're able to adjust the aperture on your actual camera. So I've got a K50 here. We'll put this on there. These are manual focus lens, so there's no autofocus. But slap it on your camera, turn it on here, and it will ask you to input your focal length. So go down to 28, just hit OK, and see I've got the aperture there, and I can adjust it accordingly all the way down to f2.8. So that's very cool. Like I said, manual focus. I kind of like these. All these have like very smooth focal focus rings here. So if you like shooting in just manual focus, you'll like these. They're very cool for doing video as well, since you'll probably use them manual focus. Anyway, but yeah, so this one is I've got this one. It sells for around $60 on eBay. You could probably find it on a camera, an old film camera like a P3 or something like that, or ZX30 or something. So you could kind of just look at some old Pentax bodies and you might be able to find it. But these ones that are Dash A, they kind of sell for a little bit more than the ones that are Dash M, which would be manual, so you wouldn't have that aperture setting. Now, also the other cool thing that I found about these A's when I was shooting them, I actually had another one that was an off-brand, not a Pentax, and I noticed with it, when you go in here to the metering mode, when you put on one that's not automatic aperture, it doesn't have all your metering modes, so it automatically defaults to the center weighted metering. So it was a little bit different as far as getting that, and as far as comparing the two, that one that I was trying out was an Oswald. This one was performed a little bit better, just the colors, because this is has that Pentax super multi-coated, so it had the colors just seemed a little bit better, and I like shooting in that metering mode a little bit better. It just helps you to nail down your metering. If not, you could switch over and you know, use your histogram or whatever to try to help you find a better metering for you after you take a shot. So as far as I'm going to take this outside and get some shots with it and see what you think. The good thing about these two, even though they're manual focus, if you're not too familiar with Pentax, when you're doing your focus, you'll still get that focus confirmation beep with Pentax is what I like. So you hear that beep, so it just let me know that's in focus. That's not 100% accurate. Sometimes it's a little bit off, so just be aware with that. A lot of times I'll just use the back here and I'll switch into live view mode, and then just kind of zoom in and get my focus that way. So you could that allows you more to lock it down. So you just hit the OK and then zoom in like that, and then just get it, and then boom, there. So yeah, I'm gonna take this outside and shoot with it. The reason I bought these is because I kind of like, it's kind of like shooting in manual focus occasionally. It's just kind of fun for me. So I got this one. I got another review I'm going to be doing about the Pentax 50mm f1.4. It's also a Pentax-A, and it's coming in shortly. I'll be getting that in the mail, so I'll do a review on that. I've got plenty of other videos on Pentax and Canon stuff, so make sure to subscribe, check out my other videos. I have almost 200 videos now. I don't know how that happened, but there's a lot on there on my channel, so make sure to check them out. Like I said, smooth focus ring here. These lenses are small, lightweight, and just very fun to use and that smooth focus ring is always a blast to use. So this is about $60. And I do sell, I'll get stuff in the mail and I'll sell stuff. So I think that also I do have it on my eBay store. So you'll see that below. I'll put a link in the description to my eBay store. So a lot of times I'll have Pentax and Canon stuff on there. So check it out. Now let's go outside and take some pictures with this and see what kind of quality we could get from this manual focus lens that's $60, under $100. All right, let's go outside.